Motion along a straight line. Learning objective. Let us learn about motion along a straight line. In this diagram, the motion of an object in a straight line path is shown by a car. The straight line motion means an object moving along a linear path, OA. The basic points that we must understand here are straight line motion, reference point, physical quantity, magnitude. Let us see straight line motion. Straight line motion. A car is shown here as an object which is moving from point O to another point A in a line is called straight line motion. That means the simple linear motion of the car along with a line O to A. Let us see the reference point in straight line. Reference point. Here, reference point means where from the car starts moving, or the origin point. Where from the measurement of the distance taken as an initial point for the car. Let us see physical quantity in straight line motion. Physical quantity. Different physical quantity. Distance and displacement. Zero displacement. Distance. The measurement of the covered path by the car from the origin point O through point C, B and reaches to A. Also, the car returning back at point C. Hence, the measured distance. The car starts at O and ends at A equals to OA in kilometers. Returning back from point A and stops at C equals to AC in kilometers. So, total distance covered by the car equals to OA plus AC equals to 60 plus 35 equals to 95 kilometers. Displacement. It is the shortest distance traveled by a car during the straight line motion, as shown here, as the initial point of the car is at point O, and as it returns back to point C, then O to C or C to O equals to OC, shortest path travelled, which is called displacement. OC equals to 25 kilometers. Zero displacement. Here in the activity, the zero displacements of the car mean that the car starts at point O and returns back to the same point O. Then the displacement will be none. That is, OA minus AO equals to 0 kilometers. But at the same time, the distance will be equal to OA plus AO equals to 60 plus 60 equals to 120 kilometers. Magnitude. The numerical value assigned to the physical quantity is measured during the motion by the car in straight line motion along the path OA. Say, the car starts from point O and reaches point B. Then the distance covered by the car is 35 kilometers, and where 35 is the numerical value taken as the magnitude of physical quantity, distance measured in kilometers. Learning outcome. We have learned reference point, physical quantities, and magnitude in straight line motion.